8, 9, 10. The all-new Urban Cruiser Tizer from Toyota comes to you with 1-liter turbo petrol engine. 1-liter turbo petrol engine, and it comes to you with 113 Newton meters of torque. 113 Newton meters of torque, and it has got 100 bhp horsepower. It has got a beautiful boot space of 380 liters. 380 liters of boot space, and it has got a ground clearance of 190 millimeters. That's the ground clearance. And the best thing is, the all-new Urban Cruiser Tizer comes to you with 16 inches diamond cut alloy wheels, and it has got 6 airbags when it comes to safety. It has also got heads-up display, 360-degree camera, and we have introduced Toyota iConnect. Toyota iConnect comes to you with 55 plus features. Alright?